Amigas, ¿cómo estás? It's a girl Chezia back with a second brand new video. For today's video, I'll be doing this glam up makeup look. So do not forget to watch the whole video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Duh. And also, if you want to watch my last video, which is a pink glam, it doesn't have something over the top and it's good for every occasion, go ahead and check the link. Check the link below in the description, and also it will be linked somewhere. It's also at the last of the video, so don't forget to watch till the end. Bye! For today's video, I've already clipped my hair behind with these two cute royal blue H&M clips. So for starters, I'll be going in with my essential oil. You can use any essential you want, like whichever your face prefers. Wow, lips and little over here. So I'll be on the top of my head. Just rub it off all over my face and make it smooth over my eyes. Applying essential oil also helps because you can just apply oil, do your whole makeup and just wash your face off with any face wash, and it comes out easy, like literally easy. This is a good tip if you want to just don't want that scrubbing of all the makeup wipes and all the makeup removers in your eyes and everything. So I'm just gonna rub it off always in the upward direction, and it soaks in so easily that I like it so much. So I'm done with applying my essential oil all over my face. It makes my skin so glowy. Next, I will be going in with my concealer. Mostly people do go for foundation, but I personally prefer using concealer, foundation, then other stuff because it gives you more coverage. So for today's video, I'll be going in with my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, which I love because it matches my skin and gives me the coverage I need. I'll be going in a triangle like this. Over here too, go in a triangle, draw a mountain. After you draw a mountain, after you draw a triangle, do not just leave it like that. Go with few dots of concealer over here too, like over the cheekbone, because if you just do it over here, it gives you whiteness and the concealed look over here only, which does not look so good. So if you apply it little over here and there around the eyes, it gives it a more blend look, which looks good, and why you do makeup to look good. So now after you apply it, start blending. Blend it all out. And as I always say, do not rub it, tap it. Tapping will help you a lot more than rubbing it. So just tap it, do not rub it at all, and continue. So after completing with my concealer, going in next with the foundation. This is a Fit Me foundation in the shade 310. I'm just gonna apply it all over my face and I'll be back. So I'm done with my foundation. I didn't really elaborate the base makeup in this video because the main focus of this video is the eyes and the lips. So if you want to know what kind of base or what products I use for my base makeup, please go ahead and check my last video. It's a pink glam. I've shown completely how I do my base. So don't forget to check that out. It's might be in the end of the video, might be linked somewhere here. It's also in the description. Go ahead and check it anyway. The next step, I'm just gonna shape my brows real quick. Shape them a little. Go this size. And done with that. So for today's eye makeup, I'll be going in with this Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to go with this shade beige. For the starters, for the base, it's quite beautiful beige. I like this shade. Whenever I'm going for a glitter like glam look, it's always good to go with a light base, then keep on getting darker and darker. So once I'm done applying this shade, I'm gonna go in with the darker shade towards the outer corners of my eyes. This shade, and I'm just gonna take it on my brush and tap it. I'm not gonna rub it. I'm just gonna slightly tap it. You can see that? Just gonna slightly tap it. It will give you the smoky kind of look. And apply it up. I like to take it up. Once I'm done applying that, I'll be going again with my blending brush and I'm just gonna blend it all over. You have to keep on blending this till you find the right kind of smoke you want in your eyes. And it's always okay to go a little out since you'll be having your eyeliner all over. And slowly just bring out the depth and transition of it. Once you're done applying the shadow and blending it out, you can go ahead with your next glitter shade. Going to be this kind of goldish. Is it gold? Yeah, it's like rose gold pink. So I'll be applying that in the center of my eyes and the corners of my eyes. You don't have to actually worry about your eyeshadow going outside when you're doing a smoky eye. You can always correct it later by using a concealer. No worry. When applying that, I'll be going in with the MAC for dual purpose glitter. So this is how it looks. It's all glittery. You have to be very careful while you use this because this glitter can get everywhere. So I'm just gonna take a little on my brush. I'm gonna apply it in the center of my eyes. See that goes a lot. Wait. Just go ahead and apply it. Slightly blend it out. You just blend it till you get to the point where you are completely okay with it. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit down. It gives your eyes a pop of color. I'm gonna apply and here. So once I'm done applying that, I'm going back to this brown shade and just blending to give it just a little bit of transition, a little more transition. And there you go, you're done with it. So to clear this up, you just have to use your concealer. You have to be very careful while doing this. You don't want to mess up your eyeshadow. I'm just gonna take it right there and right there. After I'm done with that, I'm blending the concealer out. So for the next step, I'll be going in with my liner. This is the scariest part because you got your eyeshadow on fleek, you got the concealer right, you got the base right, and if you mess up the eyeliner, it's done. That hurts, when your eyeshadow is doing great and then suddenly your eyeliner gets messed up. So I'll be taking my line tattoo eyeliner. I'll be using the pen liner for this and pray to God that it comes out nice. Take a mirror and go around with it. I'll be doing a wing liner, which is even scarier. So just look down. The hardest part of eyeliner for me is matching them. So wish me luck. So after I'm done with applying my eyeshadow, my eyeliner, next step I'm gonna go in with highlighting and bronzing my face. Oh, I forgot the lashes. And the lashes are on, so next I'm gonna bronze my face and highlight it, then add the lipstick, and I'm done with my glam look. So as with that, I'm done with my base makeup and the glam makeup. So next I'll be finally finishing it off with Sugar Drop Dead Red in the shade 10.